Hello, traders out there in Traderland. It is Sunday afternoon, and it is December 8th, 2019, and the markets in the week. Bullish Friday had a massive pop to the upside, unexpected, positive jobs report really sent everything northbound. Crude oil also up more than 1%, silver down more than 2%, gold down 1%, VIX down 6%, we're at 13.6, and Bitcoin at the time of this video is over $7,500. Take a look here at the daily chart. Now, daily chart, rising wedge, volume starting to drop, but we had a killer last few days. After the drop that we had last week, I really thought we were in dire trouble. Things were going to just not go overly well. Friday's pop threw all that out the window. Now, we're still in a rising wedge. Bad things still can happen. If I go to the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart on the S&P 500. We go up. We tried to break down, but we rallied back by week's end, and we close up here above this trend line. If I go to a line chart, I really want you to see this. Blow this up so we can really see it. There's resistance. We're over resistance right there. Do you see that? That's a bullish sign. That tells me we have a better chance of going up. However, man, if we drop like this last week, there's nothing saying that we can't drop like that again. But right now, on the bigger time frame, the weekly time frame, it's looking pretty good. If you look at the diamonds on the weekly time frame, it went up, and then you get this kind of hanging man. But the problem is it's not suspended up here, so it's really not a hanging man. But this looks like it's overextended on the weekly chart on the diamonds. So is this a hanging man, and are we set to start dropping? The NASDAQ had a chance to drop. The tech stocks went down. We found support at the line. We rallied back up. It looks bullish. You have some serious buyers on these wicks. The Russell's 2000 is up and away. Just everything looks bullish there. This is the weekly chart, remind you. Weekly only. The financials is looking bullish. We're up and away. Kind of a hanging man formation, though. So these are weekly charts. If I go back and look at the same charts, but we're going to look at the dailies, rising wedge on the S&P 500 spider. The diamonds were in kind of a rising wedge heading towards resistance. The NASDAQ, which is the tech stocks, in an uptrend and heading upward, looking pretty good. Russell's 2000 in a kind of a wedgy formation heading up. As long as we can stay above the moving averages, we're going to stay bullish in the markets. Financials, we're near resistance. We're near resistance on the financials. Again, these are daily charts. How you can tell it's daily, you'll see the D up there. W's weekly. And so we're looking at a daily, and you can see the D there too. That's how you can tell all of my charts when I'm flipping through them so quickly. The US dollar is down. Inverted hammer, look for that to start going up. It looks like we're found a support level. Look for that to probably go higher. Crude oil closes above a major trend line, guys. Look for crude oil to go north. Silver, I broke a trend line that I do not like, so that's a little squirrely to me. Overall, though, silver and gold still have bullish formations, and I'm staying with that at this time. VIX was up. Now we're heading lower. That means the fear is heading lower. Bitcoin is heading higher, but nothing to write home about there. I'm going to get into some stocks of interest. Before I do get into the stocks, always a reminder: groktrade.com. If you go to groktrade.com, you go to there's classes you can take up here, mentorship. We have one coming up here in December. Free classes you can take there, products that we have. Just explore groktrade.com. And Let's go to the Dow, a 30. Let's go fast here. Apple looking pretty good. As long as it stays above the moving averages and is uptrend, we are good. American Express broke a trend line out of symmetrical triangle. Look for more upside opportunity there. And you have Boeing that's bouncing here. Look for that to go higher. Look for Boeing to start going higher, but we have a lot of moving averages. We're within a triangle, so be careful with that one. Caterpillar is in a bull flag. Look for a breakout over 145 before an entry. Cisco is bad. Stay away. Chevron is caught up in the moving averages. Symmetrical triangle. Stay away from that one. Disney hit resistance, it's pulling back, but I'm bullish on Disney. GE, I'm bullish on GE. It's a bull pullback. Things are looking okay. Goldman Sachs broke. We have an ascending triangle. It broke out. Look for more upside on Goldman Sachs. Home Depot is down. Just stay away from it. Kind of a falling wedge formation. I could see that rally, but it might be a short-lived rally where it gives me an inverted head and shoulders, but hitting resistance there. So just be careful with that one. IBM, symmetrical triangle at a support level. It should go higher, but it could break down. INTC, which is Intel, we're in a channel. We're at a support level on the channel, so if it does remain bullish, expect that to go higher. Johnson & Johnson went up to resistance, broke it at one point, and the bears started selling into it. We're at resistance. Look for that to start breaking down. Or if it's ready to break out, it should happen, and watch for big volume. JP Morgan is up and away, looking very good. Banks are looking solid, guys. Coca-Cola, stay away from. McDonald's, stay away from. 3M, if it breaks out up here above the 175, I'd say the 177 mark could have some good opportunity. Merck has gone up. Look for that to settle down, but we're just in consolidation. Microsoft is just crazy jumpy the last few days. It'll be interesting. As long as we can stay above this blue trend line, or just think the 20-day moving average, that's a good thing. Nike, we're rising wedge near resistance. Be careful. Pfizer, kind of a bear flag. Be careful. PG, Procter, looks very weak to me. Stay away from. Travelers, stay away from. UNH, could be building a high base. I do not like a base with the middle dip like this, because most of the times that spells trouble. So this one is highly suspect to me. UTX could be a bull flag, but suspect. Visa, look to short that if it breaks down below that trend line. Verizon is at resistance soon. Big rising wedge. Be careful with that. WBA, Walgreens looks bullish to me. We got a bull flag. Look for a breakout to the upside. Walmart, stay away from. I mean, it's popping right now, but it's just overall that's not a play. Exxon looks like if it's going to start heading higher, and I think we have a good chance of breaking out there. Let's look at some tech stocks. Tech stocks. Grok, tech stocks, right here in front of me. Got to look at it. I've already looked at Apple. AMD, I'd stay away from that one. Amazon, stay away from that. It's having a lot of trouble. This could be breaking down here, which really surprised me going into Christmas season. Amazon. Baba, looking really good. Baba's just on fire. Baidu, look for that to break out. Baidu looks solid to me. Booking, stay away from. Cisco, stay away from. Cognizant, or what I call catfish. Perhaps there could be a play on this one. eBay, normally I'd say stay away from this one, but I'm seeing an opportunity that this could be a low. No, I'd stay away from it. Facebook is chopping around. We got a jab, but we pop back up above it until it can build a base and then launch above 200. Like decisively above 204, let's say. Stay away from it. Google is looking great. GoPro, a higher swing low, inverted head and shoulders. Look for a breakout. GoPro could have a trade above $4.40. Microsoft we already looked at. MU, look for a breakout over the high. It'd be over $48 or so for a breakout. Netflix, big bear flag, stay away from. Nvidia could, I don't know, it just looks toppy to me. Oracle, stay away from it unless you're going to short it. PayPal, just stay away from. PayPal, I thought would be doing better than it is right now. It's just not. Beat down. I need to look at the PEG ratio on that to see where it's at on valuation. But anyway, Shopify looking really, really good. Could be a play there. Snap, stay away from. Tesla, stay away from. And Twitter, obviously stay away from. Okay, there we are. No monologue time, but I can tell you this. I told my family, I said, hey, we can go anywhere, within the United States, or do a cruise. Told my family, let's go take a vacation, let's go do something. And out of all places, they said, let's go to Las Vegas. So that's why we set up an opportunity to do some mentoring there in Viva Las Vegas, and which we have done many years. We've been doing that a long time. I've been to Vegas probably 30 times total. And so when my family says, because my girls have not been there, my wife's been with me 3 times out of my 30 times I've been there. My girls are like, we want to go to Vegas so we can see it ourselves. They're 13 and 16. Yeah, man, Lord have mercy, right? So they want to go. They want to see it for themselves. So I said, let's do it. So we're going to Las Vegas, and we'll go to the shows, and we'll see all the different resorts, and we're going to go to the Neon Graveyard. We are going to see Michael Jackson, Cirque du Soleil. We're going to see just a lot of stuff. We'll go to Hoover Dam. We're going to go to the Grand Canyon and spend a few days there. So it's going to be a fantastic trip, and I'm absolutely looking forward to that. That means I will be out of pocket all of next week. Mark the Meerkat's going to slip in and do a video for me at the end of the week, and that's where we're at. But I'm interested. You guys, where do you like to take your vacations? I like to get some ideas from you guys. Where do you like to go? What was the best vacation you've had? I'm looking for the area, right? And kind of give me a why too. I'm really interested to know if you recommend any place that I should go. Me and my family and me. So man, I'd really be interested in that. And do you take a family vacation once a year? So last year we didn't take one. I don't know. I don't think we did one the last couple of years. I just don't know if we because we travel quite a bit, we'll go and do things, so we don't have the itch like to go take a vacation. I mean, do you guys take a vacation every year? Just give me some feedback. I wish we had like live communication going back and forth, but you're watching a video that I did on Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon right now. And you're watching it sometime this week. But all I get to read is your comment below. That's all I get to read. So, man. And something else I'm thinking about. I'll share this. We have a Grok team meeting coming up. That's where all of us, the team, Grokers, we all come together and we talk about the upcoming year. And I haven't even shared this with our team yet. I'm sharing it with you. You get the raw information if you stay for the monologues at the end. But I'm thinking about putting together a high caliber. This is not for the average person, okay? What I'm getting ready to share. What we're looking to put together is a high caliber group of individuals as a mastermind. And this will be individuals who have a significant amount to trade in the markets and or has a significant amount of information education to share, and they're on the way of having a significant amount of money in the market. So, in both groups. But I'm looking to put together a mastermind. That mastermind, we would fly in somewhere and meet once a quarter. And once you're in the group, once you're in, you're going to be part of us, all of us sharing what we're doing in our own trading, what we're doing in our own investments. We'll bring in very special speakers who can speak at our level, you know, what we're looking to do. And that's what we're looking to put together. And so this would be something that may at some point turn into its own hedge fund. But we don't know. It'd be interesting to see how it comes together. But a mastermind where we come together, we're off campus, we're at a location, and we all get a chance to share with one another. And we'll listen to speakers that will speak to our small group. So, and I think I'll make this group kind of it's going to be pretty exclusive. If somebody's interested in that, you'll find a way to contact me. But it'd be one of those things that once you're in, you're in. If you ever were to leave, you'll never be able to come back in again. I'm taking notes off of somebody else that does a mastermind, and he makes it a high caliber thing. Anyway, can you tell I'm thinking out loud? I'm dragging on a video unnecessarily for you to watch me just sit here and mumble. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I look forward to taking off tomorrow with the fam and heading to Viva Las Vegas. I got some meetings there. The guy that's helping us, Grok Trade. I got a number of things that's happening. So it's going to be very much work and play opportunity for me and my family. So that's it. Take care, guys. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Take care, guys. Bye.